Hey guys, Disney Collector here with Peppa's Picnic doll set. This set comes in a fantastic carry case. Time to open it and see what we have inside. Okay, this carry case already came with stickers. You can see here Peppa, her family here, Peppa Pig's logo, her little brother George, and in the back, another big sticker. So now we're gonna open it. Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. Dough, green dough by the way. This is blue dough. Yellow with Rebecca Rabbit. And pink with Emily Elephant. Here are some really awesome molds. And that's it. Whoa, a huge playmat. So here are all the molds and stampers that we got, including 2 tools, scissors, and 1 extruder. As for the stampers, we got Danny Dog, Peppa's little brother George with his favorite stuffed animal, the dinosaur, Peppa, and Susie Sheep. For our picnic, we can mold orange, pineapple, apple, and grapes. First, we're going to use pink dough to make Peppa Pig and Emily Elephant. This dough is a lot like Play-Doh, and you can also use Play-Doh. Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig. Now here we have to press it really good, so we get a perfect mold of Peppa. Now we have to remove the extra dough from the sides. And there, we made Peppa Pig. We're gonna give her eyes and some other details using Play-Doh. And our Peppa Pig is done with a little dress and everything. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a mold using the lid. We're gonna use the dough, press it down really good. It's just like using a regular stamper. We're gonna use an empty can of Play-Doh so we can get a perfect circle. And there we made a perfect stamp of Emily Elephant. Now we're gonna make Danny Dog using blue Play-Doh. And there, our Danny dog is done. Well, time to make Susie sheep and Rebecca rabbit using yellow dough. Our Susie is done, including a dress and everything. And here's Rebecca Rabbit. And it's time to make a mold of George using green dough. So here it is, George and Dinosaur. We still have 2 more lids to use, one of Peppa Pig and Teddy, and the other one of George. We're gonna use orange Play-Doh for George and purple Play-Doh for Peppa. Here's Peppa Pig with Teddy. And here's George. Time to make a pineapple. And it's a perfect mold. Apple. Grapes and orange.